Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you exactly how you can reply to specific message on Instagram. So let's jump right in. It's pretty simple and easy. When you open Instagram app, tap on home button at the bottom left corner. Then tap on this little icon. It's open up your all conversation. So here select any conversation where you want to reply a specific message. For example, I have this message test. By the way, you can change this theme. You just tap on this little icon in the top right corner, then tap on theme and select any of these theme. So next step, you just go back to a message, and here as you can see this message, I want to reply to this specific message. So what can you do? You just swipe from left to right to this message. You hold and swipe, as you can see, like me, from left to right, and you can now something right to this message. Then tap on this little icon, send. Alright, second way, you just press and hold. You can see, press and hold and tap on reply in the bottom left corner. Then write something and send. When you press and hold on message, you can add any of this reaction. By the way, you can tap on this plus icon here and add any of available emoji from this list. And just tap on this emoji and so you can see you react to this message. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.